The first piece of it and the biggest chunk, that's 35%, is your payment history. This is the most important factor. So, month over month, are you paying your bills on time? You don't even have to pay them in full, right? You just have to at least make the minimum payment on time every single month. So, late payments, collections, bankruptcies, foreclosures, all those things are going to impact this 35%. So if you have any of those things on your credit report, that's probably why your score is lower than you'd like it to be. The next section is credit utilization. So now these are the two biggest ones. So it's just the percentage that shows your available credit. So your ideal target is at least to be under 30%. And if you want to be at the tippy top of credit scores, you want to be using less than 10% of your credit. So if you have $1,000 limit on your card, then that 30% would be 300 bucks. If you have a $10,000 limit on your card, that 30% would be $3,000. So obviously it depends on how much your credit limit is and how much you're using. So you can easily calculate that for yourself.